name is Emily King. I'm 36 years old. I had a bulged disc, and I literally woke up one morning and could not walk. I had to make arrangements for my children to go to school while I crawled in this office, and I could not stand up straight, and I was holding on to chairs. It was awful. Let's see. That night, I was sore, but 2 days later, I was walking, still sore, but I was able to walk. And now it's, what, 3 months later, I have no pain. And it's been great to be able to go into the computer and not type